What if the biggest cost savings for your OEM project were hiding in plain sight? Many manufacturers overlook simple changes that can cut expenses without sacrificing the quality. Take cable assemblies, for example. Off-the-shelf cables might seem cheaper, but mismatched lengths can cause headaches from wasted space to signal interference. Custom cable assemblies are tailored to your exact specifications. They boost reliability and cut assembly time, while letting you choose materials that extend product lifespan and reduce warranty claims. Complex product assemblies can drain resources fast. Simplifying your box build by designing for manufacturability, embracing modular sub-assemblies, and minimizing fasteners can cut production time and costs dramatically, all while keeping your product robust and user-friendly. Choosing a manufacturing partner with top-tier certifications like ISO and AS9100 means rigorous process control and ongoing improvements. This leads to fewer errors, less rework, and lower costs for you. At Circuit Assembly, we specialize in custom cable assemblies, backed by industry-leading certifications and a commitment to quality and efficiency. We can handle your next project. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech insights.